all, my name is Ananya Dalmia and welcome back to my channel. So as requested by all of you, here is a trouser haul and they are all from Myntra by the way, and from different brands. Like most of them is from this one particular brand called Tokyo Rockies. I love their stuff. I already have tried so many of their trousers and they're very comfortable and definitely pear shape body approved. Like they fit my body so well, and you know, just every trouser that I try on, they give me like a very uncomfortable fit around my thigh area. So I just am very skeptical before buying anything, but this one brand is like, it's so good. And yeah, most of the trousers that I'll be showing you today is from this particular brand, but I have tried like different brands as well, just to like check out how their products are. Now let's get into the video. Price point मेरे को इतना नहीं पता है, but like under 1000 rupees. Like trousers में it can't be very cheap, because if you go very cheap, because I've tried very cheap trousers and they were just not the best quality, like something that I personally wouldn't wear. So I wouldn't not recommend it to you guys to even buy that. But yeah, now let's get into the video. And yeah, before that, go follow me on my Instagram. This is my Instagram ID, this is my Instagram page, this is my Instagram ID, and I post over there almost regularly, so just go follow me out there. You'll get first hand updates. Plus if you want any link to any particular outfit, you can just comment down, send link, and you'll get the links automatically within seconds. And if in case you did not receive the links, even if you have commented the correct words, it might be because you do not follow me due to latest Instagram update. If you do not follow any person, they won't be able to text you. And now let's get into the video. So for the very first item, I have these trousers from Tokyo Rockies and they are so good. Definitely pear shape body approved. This is how they look. ग्रेट क्वालिटी, ग्रेट फिट. मतलब मेरे को बैठने में, चलने में, किसी में भी दिक्कत नहीं हो रही है, जो कि होती है यूजुअली पेयर शेप बॉडीज़ को, बिकॉज दे आर यूजुअली द ट्राउजर्स दैट आर नॉट मेड फॉर पेयर शेप बॉडीज़. दे यूजुअली गेट प्रीटी थिक ऑन दिस थाई एरिया, बट दिस वन looks so good. I love the fitting, I love literally everything about it, and it has really nice deep pockets and the fabric quality is very nice and comfortable as well. So yeah, it's in navy blue color, but I've also I think it's in different colors as well, but I've also got different colors, so don't worry. But yeah, navy blue काफ़ी अच्छा लग रहा है. Also goes with this stripe print shirt of mine, so that's great. I'll write the price over here. I got this one in size medium or 30. I feel medium, I guess medium or 30, whatever you can find on the website. And yeah, that was about it. And now let's move on to the next item. Okay, you all, moving on. This is the next trouser, and to be very honest, the fitting and everything is even better than the last one. Yes, I know that the color is a bit bright, not a bit, but yeah, still I really love the fitting. It does not give you that V shape, and just look at how long these are. Let me just remove my footwear and then show you all. This is the length. Like if you know, you know. I just won't be able to describe ki this length just looks so beautiful, especially like when you wear heels, because आप इतनी heels पहनोगे, अगर आप trousers पहन रहे हो, you will wear this much heels only, and it just looks so good, as you can see. But yeah, I really love the fitting. You have 3 colors in this. One is this one is navy blue, yellow and pink. I really wish they had a black in this one, because this one, the fitting and the fabric quality for this one is to die for. This one is so good. If you are into bright colors, this is a great option for you, but on a regular basis I don't think I can wear this much bright colors. Like it looks great on some days, but not on an everyday basis, right? The size that I got is medium. Also, if you're going ahead with this one, make sure that you only wear very toned solid colors, just like I am wearing. Like white tops हो गए, solid white blouses हो गए, or literally like a tank top with shirt इसके ऊपर. Just make sure that you're wearing very toned down colors and not just make it more bright. So that's that. And now let's move on to the next fit. Okay, you all, moving on. I don't know is the third, fourth. I don't know which piece is it, because मैं ना बहुत टाइम के बाद शूट कर रही हूँ. But this is how the trouser looks like, and trust me when I say this, this is the most pear shape body approved trouser. and basically just heavy bottoms approved trousers that I've ever seen. Because just look at this, मतलब मैं आपको full look देती हूँ. This is how it looks. It is very comfortable. Just like see how much space there is. It's like so stretchable. ऐसे nice long pockets and wide leg भी हैं. Just look at the length नीचे की. I love something that when I wear heels ना, तो मेरे ऐसे पैरों को touch करे. I don't want it to be like this. I like it like this. So this is perfect for me. And you will be blown when I'll tell you the price of this product. I got it only for 349 rupees. 349 rupees, and I'm never ever getting rid of this trouser because I've tried multiple trousers out there and just nothing ever is so comfortable. And regarding this top, it's very beautiful, but I'm going to cover it in a different haul because this is for a different haul that I got it. But yeah, all in all, it's a beautiful piece. 1,000 out of 10. मतलब I can't rave about this product enough. इतना प्यारा है ये. And I've just accessorized it with this formal top and minimal jewelry. You can see minimal jewelry, and yeah. And I got this one in size medium. Just try out this product if you are like looking for something like a trouser based thing. And I'm definitely looking for something for my college purposes and everything, and I feel this is just such a perfect piece. So yeah, just give it a try. If you don't like it, just return it. But this is a must try. I wouldn't recommend all the products कि आप ज़रूर try करो, but this is one product that I definitely want all of you, because it doesn't matter if you have thick bottoms or not. This is gonna like fit like a glove if you have a heavy bottom, but if you don't, it's again gonna look really amazing, because what's the harm? So yeah, that's that. And yeah, that was about it. And now let's move on to the next item. Okay, you all, moving on. This is the next item, and okay, when you look at it like this, and this is in purple color, so I kind of wanted to create a monochrome look. Like why not? White भी अच्छा लगेगा, but let's try monochrome. यहाँ तक ये अच्छा लग भी रहा था, but just look at this. I know it's not ironed, but that's not the problem. Just look at this area. It's way too long, so ये बहुत ही ज़्यादा ऐसे baggy सा look आ रहा है, which is not at all professional. So if you're looking for something that looks professional, this is definitely not it, because just there's too much of space. And even पीछे से भी ये काफ़ी, let me show you, काफ़ी baggy लग रहा है. So I just did not like the feeling, and especially when you're walking, just because there's too much space over here, it's not comfortable to walk in. It's way too long. मतलब इसका जो लेंथ है ना, it's way too long. मतलब ये मेरे ऐसे फुटवेयर के नीचे जा रहा है, so not comfortable at all to walk in. And I liked the color. मतलब अगर इसकी fitting अच्छी होती, so this is not a bad color, neither it's a bad print, but just the fitting and the length and the bagginess of this trouser, this is not giving. So I would not recommend it. I'm pretty sure कि इसमें और भी colors हैं, but there's way too much space out here that it just is so baggy. But yeah, did not like it. I think it's a 3 on 10, and मैं यहाँ पे price लिख दूँगी. I got this one in size medium. And now let's move on to the next bit. Okay guys, so this haul started on a good note, but I feel it's ending on a bad one because I'm again disappointed. This is the next trouser. Yes, it looks good when you like see it like this, ठीक है, but it's just way too tight over here. As I said na in the first I think item, जो trousers यहाँ से tight हो जाते हैं, they are just not comfortable, and ये बैठने में भी बिल्कुल भी comfortable नहीं है. You're wearing trousers to your either office or college, and in both of the places you want to be very comfortable, so that you can actually focus on other things. And if you're just not comfortable in what you're wearing, I don't think there's any point in buying it just because it looks good. Well, it does not even look that good, because ये इतना tight है कि pockets ऊपर तक आ रही हैं. And I got this one in size medium, so size वैसा ही है, नहीं टोक्यो टॉकीज से है, so brand का भी कोई difference नहीं है कि brand different है maybe इस वजह से. And I like the length, I like the fabric quality, but I just did not like the fitting. I have to like struggle to get my hands in the pocket. These are the struggles. but yeah, if you don't have heavy bottoms, you can definitely go ahead and try this, because I feel it's gonna fit you well if you don't have heavy bottoms. बाकी इसकी लेंथ अच्छी लगी मुझे, मतलब ज़्यादा ऊपर की मुझे नहीं पसंद है, बट दिस इज़ द परफेक्ट लेंथ एंड यहाँ से भी आपको सही आएगा. सो यू कैन गो अहेड एंड ट्राई इट. मैं प्राइस यहाँ पे लिख दूंगी. एंड नाउ लेट्स मूव ऑन टू द नेक्स्ट आइटम. Okay, you all, moving on. I think we are not ending it on a bad note. So yeah, this is the last trouser for today. Though it does not have pockets, but it fits really well. It side में chain है इसकी. It has a chain on the side. So यहाँ से आपको कोई भी ऐसे एकदम प्लेन सिंपल सा है. पीछे से भी लुक काफ़ी सही आ रहा है. फिटिंग काफ़ी अच्छी है. Fits perfectly, and even the fabric quality is very nice. I'm able to walk and all comfortably in this as well, and this is how it looks like full look. Length भी सही है and comfortable भी है. बैठने and all में भी comfortable था. So I think this is good. You can go ahead and try this one as well. I'm gonna write the price over here. I got this one in size medium. And yeah guys, that was about it. I hope you'll enjoy this video. If you did, make sure to like this video, subscribe to my channel, and thank you for watching.